video feed, either one.
Okay, we are back on YouTube Live. Okay. So does Mr. Carrion, do you want to come into the courtroom, sir, or you prefer to wait out there? Oh, you're muted, sir. Can you click that little microphone icon? But you can hear me, is that right?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Oh, okay. So you're welcome to come into the courtroom unless you prefer to wait out there, whatever you
No, ma'am,
want
we're
to
gonna
do.
come inside. We're gonna go inside. I'm coming inside right now, ma'am.
All right, great. Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
And ma'am, you can go in with him. We don't have a real full courtroom, so it's safe, okay? Thanks. So I guess, do we need to re-invite? I know that people are probably figuring that we're calling the docket and we're not aware that they're not here yet. So I guess we can call Kayla Williams Lee in the hallway, Deputy Butler. It's cause number 669-334 and 335, please.
What was the name again, Judge?
Kayla Williams Lee, and that was 669-334.
Be right back.
All right.
Were we expecting her today, Your Honor?
Well, it's on the docket. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one. Sorry, I looked at 12. Okay, I apologize, Deputy Butler. I was looking at the wrong docket. So we don't have anybody on our docket today that needs to be called in the hallway, right?
No answer, Judge.
No, Your
All right.
Honor.
Thank you. Okay. Well, maybe we will just go into recess since we don't have that many people today. And when they come in, we'll come back.
All right. And like I said, I'm going to have my hearing right now, and I'll be back as soon as I can.
All right. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. So our docket for today is just one page, really, right, Aleda?
Sure is.
Okay. So we already saw Mr. Butler and we reset him. And so we're missing Mr. Behrens, John Garcia. I'm guessing that's Elizabeth Russell for Mr. Van Cleve. So it's just 3 people. Okay. So I'm sure everybody has something they can be doing instead of sitting here waiting. Let me call the people in the courtroom and I can excuse them. Let's see, Brian Porter was going to come in through Zoom. Is that right, Deputy Butler?
He's in the courtroom, Your Honor.
Okay, that's what I thought you said, but I thought I saw something on the chat otherwise. Okay, Mr. Porter, will you please step forward? Good morning, Mr. Porter. I'm going to mark you present, sir. Your attorney is in another court, so we'll
Yes,
just wait for him. Yes, sir. Go
yes,
ahead.
I'm under going to be Attorney Jerry Keegan.
Oh,
He's in.
okay.
Yeah, he did tell me that he was going to be in another court today.
Yes.
He did attempt to contact the court coordinator.
Yes.
Yeah, but wasn't able to get through. But he
Okay.
did contact my court appointed to let him know that he was going to be representing me.
Okay. Well, I think. Oh, so did you hire Mr. Kagan? Is that
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So actually, Ms. Castillo, the coordinator, had advised me of this earlier, and I looked between my notes and my docket. So just now I was looking at my docket, which I hadn't made notations to yet. So that's the reason for the confusion. But
Okay.
I'm going to excuse you, sir. I'm sure there's other things you need to be doing. I have marked you present so that you will not be in any trouble. I'm going to reset this to November 10, and then just stay in touch with your lawyer, and he can give you an update so that you can see how this case is moving along. Okay.
Sounds good. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. You have a great day. Take care.
You too. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
All right. So, Mr. Oscar Carreon, would you please come forward, sir?
Right here at the table, please.
Thank you, sir. Basically, we are waiting for your attorney, John Garcia. He is in another court, so everyone is very busy today. We just had a very short docket because we had to make some changes on Friday. But I'm not going to ask you to stay and wait for your lawyer. We will talk to him as soon as he gets free from other courts. So I'm going to reset this for November the 10th. And you will need to come back on November the 10th. Either if you can come through Zoom or you can come in person. But it's very important that I be able to mark you present, okay? All right, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You have a wonderful day. And then write down November 10th because,
Yes, ma'am. Will
and
do.
then stay in touch with your lawyer, okay?
I will do, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you,
Have a
sir.
good day.
You too.
There you go. All right. Have a good day.
All right, who else is here? Oh, there's Jerry Kagan. Good morning, Mr. Kagan. How are you?
Good morning, Judge.
Oh,
I
you're
have
at the
Mr. Porter
courthouse,
this-
huh?
I am not at the courthouse, no.
Oh, okay. So I just talked to Mr. Porter and excused him so that he could go on about his business. I have marked him present. Would you like to confer with our prosecutor this morning, Mr. Kagan?
Sure.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to ask Aleda to assign you to a breakout room. You should be getting a prompt momentarily. Join breakout room, whatever number she gives you.
Got it.
And then, okay, great.
Got it.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
The only reason I re-invited Bob Behrens is because Jerry Kagan was still not in the system.
I'm here, Judge.
Okay, good morning, Judge.
Good
How are
morning.
you?
I'm fine. I'm sorry. I've got like 6 or 7 Zooms going on today, so
Oh, not a problem. No, not a problem at all. We understand. So basically, you were representing Brian Porter, right?
yes,
But
but somebody sent me a message that they had been hired.
yeah, Jerry Kagan apparently was hired, and he currently is conferring on that case
Oh, okay.
with the state. So I'm sorry we made you come in. I know
That's
you're
all right.
busy, but we appreciate it. And otherwise, I mean, I don't guess there's anything else to do on that. So,
No, just I'll submit my $50 voucher.
but it's always good to see you, Judge.
Yes, you too.
You have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Oops. I just unconsciously drank my coffee. But it's okay. Nobody's in the courtroom, right?
Nobody saw. Nobody saw.
Well, okay, we all have something else we could be doing. I know I've got some stuff to sign, so I'm going to get on that, read everything I need to read on my, okay, Mr. Kagan, are you back? Oh, you're still muted, Mr. Kagan. Could you unmute yourself, please?
Yes.
Okay.
I spoke with the prosecutor if I can just get the reset date.
Okay. Now, since I excused Mr. Porter, I did give him a reset date for November 10.
November 10. Perfect.
Yes.
Thank you.
I look forward to seeing you then. Thank you, Mr.
Will
Kagan.
do. Bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, so we are missing. Oh, somebody else is coming. Oh, John's iPhone. That's John Garcia. Good. Good morning, Mr. Garcia. Oh, you're muted. You're muted.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I apologize. I was in 289th District Court. I'm
Okay.
present. If I could just confer with the prosecutor, please.
Absolutely. We'll send you to a breakout room right now.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I did excuse your client. He was here a little bit earlier. I gave him a reset date of November 10. Told him to stay in touch with you. So
I will mark that down, Your Honor.
all right. And so if you want to leave directly from the breakout room, you are excused and you don't have to come back into the courtroom.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you. So Aleda will be sending you a number any second.
Did you change your hairdo?
Me?
Yes.
Yes, I got it cut, and I felt like I almost got scalped, but
Oh, I just got and my hair actually looks pretty good. They had Parents Weekend up at Texas State University, so I was able to get my hair cut, but
Right.
It's really hit or miss. And then when you find someone that cuts your hair really nicely at a salon, when you go back the next time, it's like, what happened to them? It's, oh, they're gone. It's like, do you have
Right.
contact information? And they're like, no.
No.
And it's just like, no. So it's hit or miss, So I was
Yeah.
just happy to get. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's just my hair does grow fast, so at least.
Oh, good for you. No, and like not both of my brothers, one of them is balding and the other one's just kind of thin on top. So I'm always afraid that when I cut it, it's not going to come back. So I'm gonna look like Homer Simpson walking around or something, so I don't know.
No, no way.
Neither here nor there, but no, and also 30s, 40s, now in 50s. That's not a bad amount of time to have your hair as a man.
That's right.
So,
it's a
yeah.
blessing.
Oh no,
Yeah.
and I'm sorry, I'm talking. There's probably other people in the room.
Yes.
No.
Whoever's on
Oh.
YouTube Live is listening to us.
Oh, okay. I'm sure this is gonna be duped or what stuff. Okay, well, you have a good day. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you. You too. You take care.
Bye.
Hey. Well, this is such a strange experience having such a small docket. But that's okay. We'll get through it, right?
I went ahead and invited Elizabeth Russell and Van Cleve again. And
Okay.
but this is a no file, just FYI.
Okay. Thanks. And you're sure November 10 is not a holiday?
Don't say that. No, it's the 11th.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It changes from year to year, I guess.
Yeah, Veterans Day is the 11th.
Yeah. But that's so weird, though. So we'll be here Monday and then have Tuesday off? That doesn't make any sense.
No, it'll be Wednesday that it's
Oh, is
the
that
hump
a
day will
Wednesday?
be off.
Oh,
How about that?
You know, I've noticed that they do that. They do that on the 4th of July if it's during the middle of the week.
right.
And you just get the 4th off. So you go in Monday, Tuesday, have Wednesday off, then Thursday, Friday.
Yeah.
And I think they also do it with New Year's as well.
Yeah.
So
Interesting.
it's always nice when the holidays like fall on a weekend so we can have that Monday or Friday off.
So President Biden signed some kind of commemoration to celebrate Indigenous People Day. Apparently, that's the first time a president has done that. So that was interesting to know.
I'll have to read more into that.
Yeah.
It's interesting.
Yeah. So I was saying I might be like Elizabeth Warren, just relying on my father's information. But I haven't done anything about ancestry or that kind of thing.
Thanksgiving this year, would you get the Friday off, or I always have to ask because I'm always worried.
I know.
We get
Well,
Thursday and Friday off for Thanksgiving.
Yeah, we'll have Friday off because it'll be Black Friday.
Oh, okay. Oh, and the other thing that I need to remind everyone of is Red Mass is on the 14th. Today's the 11th, so
Oh,
if you all
wow.
have a chance.
That's already come around.
Yep. I know. It seems like it was just yesterday, right? Thank you for coming back, Mr. Weber.
Absolutely.
So we were just talking about Red Mass is this coming, it's Thursday on the 14th, right? So that is a beautiful, beautiful Mass. And what I was saying about, how being a lawyer is such a noble profession. It's great that, St. Mary's recognizes that with the Red Mass. I mean, I never really thought about it before, but that's a very great honor that they bestow on the legal profession. Because Lord knows we need those prayers, right?
I'm sorry, Judge. I was on a phone call. When is the Red Mass?
Thursday.
Oh, this Thursday. Okay.
The 14th, right? Isn't that the Thursday?
Yes.
Yeah, and that's when we have a jury selection. What time is the Mass at? About 6?
Yeah, 6 in the evening. Yeah. We typically go and gather like around 5 o'clock. And, just, we don't get to see each other in a social setting as judges very often. So it's always nice that, we take a picture. So we also do our pre-celebration celebration. So I'm aware that our YouTube is live, and so anybody that wants to see how we run our docket is welcome to join in. I tried to see if I could do it on my phone that's not connected to anything to do with work, my personal phone. I could not figure out how to find County Court 9.
So did you go to, so if you go to Google, did you go to Texas Courts live stream?
Oh, is that what I need to look for? I actually did Google myself, and there was all kinds of stuff about me, but I couldn't find the YouTube live on that. But
So-
I'll need to go to Texas Courts.
Yes, Google Texas Courts live stream, and then it'll give you a list of all of the courts that are live on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
You just got to scroll down and find County Court 9 and your name.
Oh, okay. Well, because I'm going to start inviting people to watch us.
Oh, awesome.
So no more drinking coffee online on the YouTube, on the Zoom. Good morning, Miss Russell. How are you today?
I'm good, Judge. I'm sorry that I'm late. I'm on a short
Oh.
break from district court. If I could confer really quickly.
Absolutely. We'll go ahead and give you a breakout room right now.
Thank you.
Thank you. And we all, Mr. Weber, can you go to, are you co-host?
I am not. So
Okay,
just
let
join
me make
breakout
you
room 2.
co-host. I'm going to make you co-host, and then you can go to room 2, please.
Okay.
Thank you. So I printed out the dockets for today and for tomorrow. So then when we got on Zoom, I just pulled out all the papers I had in my printer and stapled them together. And that's why I had trouble finding the docket for today. Because it was actually it was behind the one for tomorrow.
And if you
Sometimes-
see on the Zoom invite for tomorrow, Your Honor, the very bottom of all that little points,
Yeah.
there's some add-ons and you have quite a bit of, I think it's about 4, 5 compliance hearings.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I went crazy, but I figured, you know what? I'm going to start putting them on the same date. Do all the compliance hearings on the same day of the week. That way I can get things more organized. Don't you think that's a good idea?
Yep.
Okay. All right, Miss Russell, you had a chance to confer?
I did, Judge. They are going to review for an offer. We are still waiting on blood back from a DWI non-alcohol.
Okay. All right. All right, so we'll reset that for November 10. Will that work for you?
That sounds great.
Oh, thank you very much. You have a wonderful day. It's always
Thank
good
you.
to see you. Take care.
You as well.
All right, so do we know how to send a re-invite to Dana DiPietrantonio? Boy, I murdered that name. DiPietra.
Oh, that was
Antonio.
Ms. Russell's client.
Right.
And it's a no file, so I don't know.
Oh, yeah, not a problem. Okay, thank you. I'm not going to issue a warrant for that. Okay. All right. So you were going to give me, let me get the add-ons for tomorrow. Or I guess I can go and look at the docket. They're all there, right? Well, since we don't have anybody waiting to confer, let me get those from you off docket, Aleda. I think that's everybody we needed for today, right?
Yeah,
Nobody's
it looks
missing.
like this is it for the docket, Judge, if
Right.
you wanna.
Nobody's missing. So we're going to go ahead and call it a day. If anybody happens to come in, we'll go ahead and deal with them individually. All right. So everyone have a wonderful day, and we will see you all tomorrow. And Mr. Weber, we're going to be, tomorrow will be a regular docket. So if there's any way you can help us out, it will be very much appreciated.
Absolutely, ma'am. I do have a couple things set. Just 10. Well, I have a 9:30 and a 10 as well, but same thing. I may just leave for 15 minutes and come back.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I mean, Mr. Lowry's very good. He can multitask like nobody's business, but it's always good if we have a bunch of lawyers that want to confer to be able to move it along faster. So
Yeah,
we
and
do
I'll be happy to help.
appreciate it. Thank you so
Absolutely.
much. Appreciate it. Okay, everyone have a wonderful day. We are going to conclude this docket